Today, I'm putting barley tea and green tea head to see which brew truly reigns supreme. As health-conscious consumers seek out ancient beverages with unique benefits, the debate over these teas has never been more intense. With each tea offering distinct flavors and wellness advantages, choosing the right one can significantly impact your daily health routine. Barley tea, a centuries-old staple in many Asian cultures, is celebrated for its nutty, roasted flavor and comforting, earthy aroma. Brewed for a longer period, it releases a robust taste that many find soothing and satisfying. In addition to its flavor, barley tea is recognized for its potential anti-inflammatory properties, making it a popular choice for those looking to support their overall well-being. Its deep, rich flavor profile and cultural significance have helped it maintain a loyal following even as the tea market expands. On the other hand, green tea is renowned worldwide for its high antioxidant content and refreshing, delicate taste. Typically brewed for a shorter time, green tea preserves its subtle flavor and invigorating aroma, offering a crisp and revitalizing experience with every sip. Its reputation for boosting health, primarily due to its antioxidants, has propelled green tea into the spotlight as a must-have for modern, health-conscious lifestyles. The tea's light, refreshing character complements its reputation as a natural enhancer of vitality and energy. When it comes to flavor, the contrast is clear. Barley tea delivers a warm, nutty burst, while green tea offers a clean, refreshing sip. In a head-to-head taste test, each tea stood out in its own way. Health comparisons also reveal unique benefits. Barley tea is noted for its anti-inflammatory effects, whereas green tea is prized for its ability to combat free radicals and support cellular health. This makes the decision less about which tea is universally better and more about which one aligns with your personal taste and health priorities. Ultimately, both teas have much to offer. If you're drawn to a deep, earthy flavor and the traditional benefits of barley tea, you might prefer its rich profile. However, if you favor a light, invigorating taste along with a powerful dose of antioxidants, green tea could be your go-to brew. The choice between barley tea and green tea ultimately comes down to personal preference and individual health needs. I invite you to share your own experiences in the comments below. Have you discovered unique benefits or surprising flavors with either tea? And if you're curious about more tea comparisons, be sure to check out our other videos exploring the best varieties for a refreshing, healthy brew. Let's dive in and find out which one truly reigns supreme.